Good evening, Patna Singh Pathsala. Today is 29th December 2023 and today is Friday. I am Dr. Anurag Manna from Anurag Narayan Magad Medical College, Gaya. Today we have a set of 10 questions, 5 questions from general studies and 5 questions from current affair portion. Question on general studies belong to chapter number 4, which we have already covered. We have just given a revision session for the chapter, and current affair portion will belong from September monthly policy review 2023. So let us start with the questions according. PSSP 29 December 20, Friday class question. Question number 1. Consider the following statements. 1. Fundamental rights are those rights of an individual that are enforceable through courts of law. 2. The purpose of right to equality, Article 14 to 18, is to establish rule of law in India. A. 1 is correct. B. 2 is correct. C. 1 is incorrect. D. 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 2. Consider the following statements. 1. Reasonable restriction on right to freedom is imposed by the state. 2. Reasonableness of restriction is to be decided by the courts of law and not by the government. A. 1 is correct. B. 2 is correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither is correct. Question number 3. Consider the following statements. 1. A person can be retained in detention beyond 3 months only when the advisory board approves it. 2. The state can impose compulsory service for any public purpose. A. 1 is correct. B. 2 is correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither 1 nor 2 is correct. Question number 4. Consider the following statements. 1. According to Article 28, no religious instruction can be provided in any educational institution that is maintained wholly out of the state funds. 2. Article 28 provides that no person can be required to take part in any religious instruction that may be imparted or to attend any religious worship that may be conducted in educational institutions recognized by the state or receiving aid out of the state funds. A. 1 is correct. B. 2 is correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither is correct. Question number 5. Consider the following statements. 1. Article 29 protects the interests of minorities. 2. Article 30 provides for the right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their own. A. 1 is correct. B. 2 is correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither is correct. Consider the following statements. Phase 2 of the e-courts project aimed to provide service delivery to citizens such as accessible websites in local languages. 2. Phase 3 aims to create a unified technology platform for the judiciary along with facilitating a paperless interface between the courts, litigants and other stakeholders. A. 1 is correct. B. 2 is correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither is correct. Question number 7. Authority responsible for settling ambiguities or disputes related to the interpretation of dark patterns is A. Ministry of Consumer Affairs. C. Central Consumer Protection Authority, State Consumer Protection Authority, District Consumer Protection Authority. Question number 8. Terms like false urgency, basket sneaking and confirm shaming are related to A. E-commerce, B. Artificial intelligence, C. Robotics, D. Big data. Question number 9. Within the radius of how much various activities including construction and mining are restricted under law? For ancient monuments. Means how much should be the radius of the area around which construction activities and mining activities are restricted under the law for ancient monuments. A. 100 meters, B. 200 meters, C. 300 meters, D. 400 meters. Question number 10. Framework for promoting energy storage systems was released by A. Ministry of Power, B. Ministry of Mines, C. Ministry of Environment, D. Ministry of Education. Now today is Friday, and Friday we solve the question mains type questions. So main question, PSSP Civil Services Examination 2024, 29 December. The question of general studies will belong from chapter 6 of Modern India, NCERT. Question number 1, page number 19, page number 119, and question on current affair will belong from the monthly policy review, September 2023, page number 3. So question number 1, discuss the causes of popular discontent against the British rule in the first half of the 19th century. To what extent was the revolt of 1857 the result of this discontent? 250 words, 15 marks. Source is page 119, class 12, NCERT, chapter number 6, Modern India. Question number 2, what are the different phases of e-courts project? How it makes judiciary more effective? So kindly solve these questions and search the correct answers from your textbooks and the resources indicated. This will help you solve the questions in your actual examination, which is to be conducted on 26th of the May for prelims, and somewhere September 20th September 2024. So be prepared from now, and you will be very natural in your performance, and that will give you the very best result for all of you. So good luck. Jai Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala, Jai Patna, Jai Bihar, Jai India.